The cycle of life. Life is a cycle, a constant change. Just as day and night follow each other, so do happiness and sorrow. Peace and turmoil come and go in our lives. It is important to understand that this cycle is natural, and accepting it is the path to true peace. When we get entangled in our thoughts, we disrupt this cycle. We try to make happiness permanent and avoid sorrow. This effort brings us more suffering. When we accept that everything is temporary, we experience peace. Just as stars shine in the darkness of night, so too are beauty and wisdom hidden in the dark moments of our lives. When we face sorrow, we discover our inner strength and resilience. We learn how to face challenges and overcome them. When we experience happiness, we express gratitude. We know that this moment is temporary and enjoy it. We do not try to hold on to happiness, but rather let it flow. The inner journey. Our inner journey is a continuous process of remembering and awakening. We forget who we are, and then remember. We get entangled in our thoughts and then become free from them. This process leads us to deeper understanding and knowledge. When we experience negative emotions, it is a sign that we have become entangled in our thoughts. It is an opportunity for us to increase our awareness and observe our thoughts. When we observe our thoughts, we can detach from them and let them flow. When we experience peace and joy, it is a sign that we are connected with our inner state. It is an opportunity for us to express our gratitude and enjoy this moment. True liberation. True liberation is when we hold love and compassion for ourselves and others. We transcend our ego and experience unity. Love gives us the power to accept and forgive. It helps us to build deep relationships with others. Compassion inspires us to understand the suffering of others and help them. It helps us to develop empathy and kindness towards others. When we live with love and compassion, we fill our lives with meaning and purpose. We bring positive change in the lives of others and make the world a better place. Continuous practice. With continuous practice, we must continue our inner work with patience and perseverance. We must remember that we can always return to our state of inner peace and joy. When we get entangled in our thoughts, we should not be discouraged. We just need to bring our awareness back and let our thoughts flow. When we experience peace and joy, we should express gratitude and enjoy this moment. We must remember that we are spiritual, infinite beings having a physical, limited experience. We can always return to our state of inner peace and joy. This is our natural state. Ultimately, life is a beautiful and mysterious journey. We must enjoy every moment and continue to search for our inner peace and joy. This is true liberation. Are you struggling with such issues? Don't hesitate to contact us. Please like and subscribe to Breathing for Successful Life to motivate us to create more life skill videos.